Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. So this might be the last video of me showing you things that I've bought recently, purchases that I've made while I've been away, while I'm working on my new set of templates. I'm hoping, I'm looking around to make sure I haven't forgotten anything. I don't think I have. I did want to say this set hopefully will be back in stock soon. I keep getting questions about this. This is the stamp set I made and that May put out for me, and I love it so much. It should be close to being back in stock. I'll have it linked down below, so if you want to check it out. But yeah, I love it. I use it all the time and I get asked about it all the time. But if you click there's an affiliate link down below to this stamp set, so if you click that, it'll take you to her website, and then it will tell you whether or not it is in stock. And then you can be put on the list to be notified when it is back in stock. Okay, so be sure if you want it, if you don't have it yet and you want it, be sure to check it out. I'll have it linked. Okay, I think that might be all I can find for right now of everything that I've purchased. I did get a few. I got these at Hobby Lobby. Let's just start there. Got these at Hobby Lobby, and that's Sponge Sugar and Rustic Wilderness. This is Distressed Oxide inks. Again, I'll have everything linked as best I can down below. I'll try to have different resources for you guys. But these, I was actually at Hobby Lobby and I got these. I'm trying to complete my collection of Distressed Oxide, because what I want to do, I want to start doing is, I used to do this a lot, where I would use matching inks to go with the projects that we're making, but sometimes it's difficult to visually see that when you're looking on a computer screen or whatever. So I decided that I was going to make sure that I had all the colors in the Distress Oxide so that I can match up the inks a little bit better to the project. And you do not have to do that. Let me show you, because I kind of feel terrible that I'm getting ready to show you this, but just a FYI, just a heads up, this is what I do for a living, so I don't suggest that you go buy every single ink there is unless you want to, unless you need them in your life. But let me show you what I've got. So I've got them in these tins. I've got 4 of these, and these are also from Tim Holtz and Ranger, and they hold the full size ink pads, and I've got almost all of them. So I've got 4 of these. I will link these down below. There's a ink pad storage tin. These are pretty amazing, because I used to just have them stacked like on top of each other, and talk about a nightmare to try to find which color you were looking for. Oh no, I have 6 of them. I just lied. I have 6 of those. Sorry, I'm yelling. So if you go to the rangerink.com, you can print off this chart. So what I did, why is this dirty? So what I did was I printed it off on the cardstock that I use all the time, and I printed it off onto, I think this is mixed media paper, or it could be watercolor paper. I think it's mixed media paper. And I printed it onto some mixed media paper. So then I would stamp, I used the heart from my little stamp set. I would stamp the color, and then I would wet it and move it around on the paper. So that way I have a quick reference of what things are gonna look like on my cardstock, and this is what it looks like on watercolor paper. Sometimes it doesn't really make a difference, but sometimes it does. So I mean, it obviously distributes and just moves around on the paper a little bit better on the watercolor paper. I'm pretty sure this is watercolor paper. It obviously moves around better on the watercolor paper than it does on the cardstock. But so I was missing Sponge Sugar and Rustic Wilderness, so I'm gonna have to do those. And I don't know how this happened, but I don't have Tumbled Glass, Victorian Velvet, and Milled Lavender. Those are the last 3 that I need. So anyway, so this is me just being a little bit OCD probably. A little bit too much organizing. I don't know, but I'll try to link this for you guys down below where you can get it and print it off yourself. But anyway, so I want to incorporate more color into my projects. So there's that. So I got those two. And then, speaking of color, I got, while I was at Hobby Lobby, I got some gold. Because of the gold splashes that we've been doing, remember that, whoop, hang on. Using the watercolor, you know, instead of just having that option for gold splashes, I wanted to try other things, so I got some. I actually have some of this already. This is India ink. Let me shake it just a little bit. But I think mine is dried up. So I bought another one. This is India ink, Dr. Martin's or P.H. Martin's. It's called Calligraphy Colors Copper Plate Gold. So I got that one, and then I also got, this is liquid acrylic ink, and this one's light gold. So those two. I was going to do a little bit of playing around with those. Those are not expensive. And then I also got me some paints. This is metallic Inca gold from Folk Art. This is champagne gold. And then this one is rose gold. So I thought these might be kind of fun. These are just really cheap, you know, craft paint. So I thought it may be fun to just play around with different ways of making splashes or using these in our projects. So I got those. And then I got some die cuts and some embossing folders. So, oh, and some stamps. Let me show you. These have nothing to do with anything except that I bought them for my granddaughter. She loves Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse. Loves them. 2 pieces. So I got these stamp sets. I almost didn't. I mean, because I can't really use them with you guys, or I'm not going to, but I love them, and I think she will, when she gets older, she will, old enough, where we can start stamping and maybe coloring them a little bit or something. And maybe put some in her album and whatnot. Anyway, I think it's just really sweet. I got these at Hobby Lobby. I don't know if these are available anywhere else, but EK Success. EK Success is who made these. So, I love. Okay, that was just, this has nothing to do with what we normally do, but there you go. So I got this cutting die. This is from Spellbinders, and it's Create a Pop-Up Card. It's what it says. Pop-Up Butterfly. I haven't tried it yet. It's got 6 cutting dies. So there's, I'm assuming that there's the outside wings, and then there's the inside part, and then there's the body, and then this is the pop-up part. I just thought it was sweet, and I wanted to give it a try. I think it would be sweet. Well, even if it wasn't for popping up, I think it would just be sweet to have that on a page, like in the middle of a signature or something like that, you know? Something like that would be kind of cool. So I got that. I haven't tried that one yet. And then, do I have any other dies? The rest of these are embossing folders. So let me start with this one. This is a 3D impresslets. This little frame, and I love it. So it embosses and it cuts this piece out all at the same time. Whoop. And I love it. I love it. I love it so much. It's so cute. I think I got it at Hobby Lobby, and I don't know if it's still available. I'll try to find it and link it down below, but isn't that cute? I just think that would be so sweet on like a traveler's notebook cover or something like that. So I got that, and then this one is, you need a die cutting machine. Well, you don't have to, I don't guess. You could use a rolling pin and all of that jazz. Whoops, this one's coming out of the package. This one is, what's this one called? This one is called, does this not have a name? Floral Frame is what this one's called. This one is called Swirls, right? And it doesn't look like much in that picture, but look at it. Look at it. Can you see that? Oh my gosh. Oh, look at it. It is so, so pretty, right? I love this one so much. I just love it. Okay, so there's that one. And then this one is called Engraved. I don't think these are new. These have been out a while. This one is called Engraved. And this is what it looks like. I just did it on white cardstock. That's what it looks like. Oops, I used a recycled page too. This one's really pretty. Looks like a tile, like tin tile. And this one's new. These next three things are brand new. Oh look, I was messing around with something. Yeah, I don't know what happened there. And do I have? I do, somewhere. Oh, is it inside? Oh, here it is. I don't have just a white one, I don't think. I think I just did one. So this one is called Damask, and it's gorgeous. It is gorgeous. And this does not do it justice at all. It would look prettier if it was just white, but or a different color. I just used my distress ink that I have sitting right here. It's hard to tell, but it's so pretty, you guys. This one is gorgeous. So this one's brand new. And then this one is called, oh, there's the where I tested it out. Oh look, here's the swirly one. I was testing out the other inks, right? I don't know if you can see. I was using some of the gold stuff that I bought. Yeah. Oh, anyway. This one is called, I'm pretty sure this is called Doily or something. Yeah, Doily. And it's just like a corner, but how do I have it here? Do I have it wrong? I may have it wrong. I'm not sure. Does it go like this? I don't know, you guys. No, it goes like this. It doesn't matter. But isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? Wouldn't that be a nice little addition to the corner of your page? I don't know why. I feel like this is backwards. I feel like the image is backwards because this way, if you have it this way, then the raised part is for the doily is on the other side. I don't know. I could be wrong. I guess it's however you want to do it. But this one's really pretty too. I thought this was a nice addition to my collection. And then the last one I bought was this one. Is Altenew. I don't think I've ever purchased one of theirs before. It's called Cupped Blossom Botanical 3D Embossing Folder. Look at their image up there. Isn't that pretty? So check this out. Look how nice that embossed. And there's the back side. You can even use this side. I don't know why. I feel like I'm not showing it to you correctly. Right? Isn't that pretty? It is so dimensional. Anyway, it's just pretty, and I thought it was pretty, and it's big too. It's like what size is this? This is like a 5 3/4 by 6. So this was a bit on the larger side. So this won't fit into my embossing folder. Let me find it. My embossing folder book. Oh goodness. Matter of fact, none of these are gonna. I have 3 of these where I actually made these on film, or did I? If I did, I'll link that video up here in the cards and down below, where I keep my embossing folders. Right. So this one's too big. It's not going to fit inside of here. But also, I have the book, the swatch book, where I just did a swatch of each embossing folder that I have and then put the name on it. So this is Swatchbook version 2. I will link that up here and down below. I think we made this, or did I just show it to you? Either way, whatever I showed it to you or made it or whatever, I will link that video. So yeah, I like having it. I like having a visual where I can touch it and look at it. So I'm going to have to add these in here. I don't know what those are from. I'm not going to do it right now, but yeah. Just for quick reference. I like that. I like being able to do that. Those are different Halloween and stuff. So we'll be adding these in here. I'm going to cut them down to size, but we'll add those in here into this book. But the embossing folder is going to be too big for here, so I don't know what I'm going to do. But anyway, well, I just got tickled at myself because at some point my camera shut off. The whole camera didn't shut off, but like the amount of time that my camera will record stopped and I didn't hear it. And I was just rambling on, just to talk. And I look up and it's not recording. I don't even know what I was saying. You guys, I don't know. I think I was talking about, I'm really excited about something I have coming up with, it's something different for me. I don't want to give anything away, but I'm super excited about it, and I think you guys are going to really enjoy this concept, this idea. It's so fun. It's going to be interesting. Anyway, it's going to come out right around the same time as my new set of templates. But I'm really excited about it, and I think you guys are going to love what I'm coming up with. This new project, this new concept that I'm thinking about, that I'm developing. And I think you're going to love who I'm doing it with, because it's not a solo project. I'm just really excited. I think it's going to be a great little thing. Anyway, all right, I'm making sure the camera's recording. That's so funny. All right. Well, thank you so much to you guys for coming along with me for my haul videos, just to see what I've been buying lately, just to see what I've been accumulating. Because I'm going to need some of the stuff, maybe not all of these things, but I'm going to need some of the paper collections and all of that, and the other videos that I just put out. I'm going to need that stuff for my new set of templates, and I just wanted to share, just in case. Of course, there will be official project series that we make with the new set of templates. That the paper collection will be more recent when that time comes for that. I know the paper collections that I showed you in the last video, they are brand new. I know that, but they may not be available when it comes time to actually make a whole project with the new set of templates that I have. It's a very much of a process for me when I make templates. It's a very detailed process that I go through. So it could be a little bit longer. But anyway, I just wanted to share all the stuff I got with you, and I'll leave links to everything down below. And I just want you to know how excited I am about some of these new products. They're so pretty. Even this one's not new, but I love it. I think it's so pretty. So pretty. But I just wanted to kind of keep in touch with you guys while I'm creating some new stuff and working on some new things. And yeah, thanks for hanging out with me today. And I'll have everything linked down below the best I can. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.